name is Lakshita and my today topic is embedded system in automobiles. Let's start contents. What is the embedded system? In the driving seat, the doctor will see you now. Wired variables, don't keep your eyes on the road. The working principle of adaptive curious control, conclusion and its reference. Next, what is the embedded system? An embedded system is any device controlled by instructions stored on a chips. These devices are usually controlled by a microprocessor that execute the instructions stored on a read-only memory chips. Next is in the driving seat. There are several tasks in which real-time OS beats their desktop counterparts hands down. A common application of a embedded system is the real world is in automobile because these systems are cheap, efficient, and problem-free. Almost every car that rolls off the production line these days makes use of embedded technology in one from the another. And the doctor will see you. Imagine a doctor when body transplant like cardiac pacemaker will be able to monitor and manage themselves remotely. This system will be so concept that the patient could not even be aware that they are embedded in his body. Next is wired variables. A, a mobile in the form of ring or an ear ring. What is cool sunglasses with streaming video display built in them? All this can soon be reality. Embedded system has a small footprint and consume very little power, which make the ideal from variable computing applications. The minimal system requirement of this device ensure that the hardware is almost microscopic. Don't keep your eyes on the road. Embedded system can also make wireless vehicle control a reality. Major automobile manufacturers are already engaged in work on this concept. One such technology is embedded cruise control (ACC). The working principle of embedded cruise control higher pitch sound. This in this case vehicle is feeding together the stationary listener. The distance between the listener and the car is decreasing. Then the listener will hear a higher pitch sound from the car, which means the frequency sound is increased. Next is lower pitch sound. In the case of vehicle is moving away from the listener, the distance between and the car is increasing. Then the listener will hear a low pitch sound from the car, which means the frequency of sound is decreasing. So that is the Doppler effect in case of sound waves. Next is conclusion. Most of the microprocessor is the world are not a piece. They are embedded in devices which control traffic and highways, airspace, railway tracks, and shipping lanes of manufacturing systems with robots. And embedded system is any control by instructions stored on a chip. Reference. The thanks.